Hi everyone, it's me Rachel and welcome back to my channel, and I share all about family adventure, and if that's your thing, please hit the subscribe button and share and like my videos. It's a chef in charge here.
Yeah, I'm a chef in charge.
Making a Korean barbecue,
Making my Korean rib.
and the kids is down there and waiting for our beef. Just clean this new stick.
I'm gonna go make it.
So
Start.
good morning. Good morning, baby. Good morning. Still wearing our Christmas pajama. Tonight is a Christmas Eve, and we're gonna stay here for one night only because we are going home to celebrate Christmas and open the presents.
Yeah.
Yes. So while the kids are out, I'm going to do my dishes and clean our bed and also our living area. Our dining area. So just me and George are here. And yeah, let's clean with me.